The Galapagos Whale Shark Project, Galapagos Science Center, and Galapagos National Park Directorate are working together to track the movements of whale sharks in a newly explored area. Western Galapagos. Partnering with local fishermen, the team led an expedition aiming to gather data on the existence of a possible aggregation of whale sharks from community reports in this area. The team conducted visual and aerial surveys during 6 days, supported by drones and fishermen vessels. A total of 4 whale sharks were sighted, being able to successfully tag 2 individuals. The use of satellite tagging will allow the team to follow the movements of these sharks and determine their connectivity to the constellation found in the north of the archipelago, as well as understand their distinct habitat use in different areas of the Marine Reserve.
Can't win!
This marks a key achievement for the project, being the first individuals ever tagged in this area. Additionally, the team was able to get the first ever record of whale sharks actively feeding in Galapagos. The interinstitutional collaboration and work with local fishermen were vital to the success of this exploratory expedition. The information gathered by the satellite tagging and confirmation of whale sharks feeding in this area mark a crucial step towards understanding the importance of the Galapagos for their life history, which in turn will allow scientists to advise the implementation of management strategies that will protect whale sharks and their ocean.